On this video, we'll talk about Tesla's self-cleaning camera lens patent, how the laser beam actually works with an actual video, what's needed to actually install on your car, and a better alternative technology for a self-cleaning lens. So let's go ahead and get started. A drawback for a full self-driving is the camera and sensors being blocked by debris, anything from mud, water splash, heavy rain, or snow on the road. Tesla has filed a patent for the system to use a laser beam to clean debris off from a camera lens. According to the patent, the onboard camera glass would detect debris covering it, and a laser beam will shoot burning the debris from the surface of the glass. It would behave something similar to this video here, where the laser is burning off detectable object in front of it.
The handheld rust removal laser, which makes rust literally evaporate. I could not believe what I was seeing when I first came across this device on YouTube. A laser that cleanly removes rust and other surface contaminants without eating away the metal underneath.
Notice how he said to remove rust and other surface contaminant. Other surface contaminant would be the debris that Tesla is trying to remove from the surface of the camera's glass. As you're aware, Autopilot disengages whenever one or more of its cameras are covered. Here's a video from Tesla drivers showing whether Autopilot will engage if any of the cameras are covered. Briefly from his video, he covered all of the cameras, slowly uncovered each one of them to see at which point will Autopilot re-engage back in. In this scenario, Autopilot did not engage until all the cameras were uncovered. The same thing can be true whenever debris covered the camera lens. Tesla has been working on this technology over a year. There was a tweet from Elon a year ago where he mentioned in a jokingly manner, "Don't make me use my space laser." Now I know this is a very difficult problem to solve. This patent seems to be where Tesla landed to solve this automatic lens cleaning. The technology of detecting debris on the windshield or a surface of a glass is nothing new to Tesla. They've been using the same technology on automatic windshield wiper, where it detects over 1 million droplets of water hitting the windshield to determine the right speed to engage the wiper. In order to ensure the laser beam is safe, the glass covering the camera will be covered with indium tin oxide coating to ensure the beam doesn't pass through the glass and damage material or any kind of component inside the car, especially the passengers. Here's a video showing the application of indium tin oxide, which product it's being used on. If you're liking this video so far, please subscribe and hit the like button.
Well, indium tin oxide is used as a clear conductive layer on almost all electronics that have a display. It's used in flat panel televisions. It's also used for touchscreen devices. Some indium tin oxide powder. Okay. And these can also be made with indium oxide powder and tin oxide powder. So there's different ways to make the targets, and there's different manufacturing methods to make them.
The indium tin oxide coating is supposed to prevent the laser from burning anything inside the car. More importantly, will this patent require installing a laser on all cameras on the car? If so, will it be small enough to be unrecognizable, maybe something as small as hood spray nozzle? Also, will Tesla owners have to pay the laser hardware and installation for all of the cameras, or is this already covered on their full self-driving package? A better technology to have the cameras cleaned automatically would have been the hydrophobic invisible coating used for textile. Here's a video showing this technology. I'm very impressed with it.
1, 2, 3.
Unfortunately, this technology doesn't apply to a glass surface. It currently only applies for a textile. To wrap up this video, what do you think of Tesla's new patent? Would you have preferred a similar coating like the hydrophobic invisible coating? If Tesla was to charge for the laser beaming and installation costs, would you pay for it? If this video was beneficial, please consider subscribing and hit the like button. Also, if you want to share your Tesla buying experience on an interview format on this channel, please reach out to me on this link. That's all for this video, and I'll see you guys on the next Tesla news. Take care.